Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Steam error code E20 in a quick and simple way so you can get back to gaming without interruptions. This error usually appears when Steam fails to connect to its servers due to network issues or temporary glitches. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. Restarting your router can often fix the problem instantly. Next, completely close Steam and reopen it. You can also restart your computer to refresh all background services. After that, disable any VPN or proxy service because Steam may block connections from restricted or unusual locations. You should also temporarily turn off your firewall or antivirus to see if they are blocking Steam. If it works, add Steam as an exception. Another helpful step is to clear the Steam download cache from settings and log in again. Finally, make sure your Steam client is updated to the latest version available. After following these steps, error E20 should be fixed and Steam should run normally again without any issues. Subscribe the channel for more videos.